Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about trade setups in 15 stocks. So I have been posting almost 2 to 3 setups every day in last 7-8 days, totaling to around 15 setups in the Financial Fitness group. How many of you are seeing that? Can I have yes if you are observing what I'm sending on Financial Fitness group, the setups? Yes? Okay, great. So I have been sending those setups. So many have asked me, okay, they were not very clear how to take advantage of those setups or such setups whenever it occurs. So I thought I'll go through those setups one by one, and how a person, when they are proficient enough, they can trade those kind of setups. So that is the objective of the session today. Before we proceed, this is the disclaimer. Whatever setups I have posted in the groups or whatever I am sharing today is not a trading or investing advice. It's only for learning purposes. Can I have yes from all of you if you agree with me that it's only for learning purposes? I am not advising you to trade or invest based on whatever I am sharing today or in the group. Okay, great. Now, let's start. See, okay, can you see my screen, trading view? Yes, okay, great, thank you. Now, this is a setup for LNT. So now I'll just hide all these things. So what is happening is for a untrained eye, typically this is happening, and this will be same in all the setups. What I'm just taking one example of LNT. The situation is same almost in all the stocks we are going to trade. So now what has happened is LNT went up from here to here, almost for June 6 months it went up. Now from last January till April, 2 to 3 months, it's moving sideways. As we have learned in the previous webinar, how to draw triangles and all, how to identify triangles. Based on that knowledge, I have drawn this triangle. So if I join this line, so it extends till here. If I join this line here, it extends till here. How many of you are able to see this triangle here? Type yes. Yes. Now, just as a refresher, whenever there is a consolidation, whenever the price is getting compressed inside a triangle or inside a like it is sort of getting compressed as it is progressing. So from here it is going up, down, and it is getting compressed. So it's a triangle. Someone said rectangle. It is not a rectangle, it is a triangle. See, if I join from here to here also, just for the sake of joining. So now this 1, 2, 3 sides, these are triangle. Now it is getting compressed inside the triangle. Whenever it breaks out, it goes up. Now, how far will it go up? What we had discussed in the, I'll just delete this line so that we have more clarity. How far it will go? It will go to the highest width of the triangle. So this is the highest width is to almost 245, 247 from here to here. It is a 247. Wherever it breaks out of the triangle, it will go 247. So I have given a target for education purpose that there is a possibility of it reaching till 2500. Third question was how, by when it will go. So the answer to third question is we measure for how far it has been inside the triangle. Okay, it has been inside the triangle for almost 69 bars or 103 days. We reduce it by 50%. So we put it at here and then we reduce it to 50 days, sort of. Okay, so we reduce it by 50 days. And we draw a line. So it was inside the triangle for 100 days, roughly. When it broke out, we reduced the days to 50 days. So there is a possibility that LNT, since it has broken out, it is likely to reach around 2500 by 25th May. Everyone good? So far, so good? Can I have yes? You have gone through this. So this is how you have to do the analysis of the triangles. Whenever these triangles or rectangles are formed, more than rectangle, triangle formation is more powerful. I want to make very clear, just after once you practice it for a few days and learn, when is the breakout? Okay, when is the breakout considered? See, I consider the breakout when, see this line, we are joining the line, this we are joining the line. Breakout is when the complete candle closes above this line, then only we can call it as a breakout of the triangle. Sometimes it may happen, which I'll show in some example. It may go up during the day, it goes up and again comes down and closes somewhere here. So if you are a trader who is waiting for a breakout, you have put an order here, your order might get filled and the price may come back and close here. So don't rush to do a trade, or if you are not monitoring, you are putting a trade, and let's say you have put a trade here that, okay, whenever it crosses this line, my trade is filled, but at least by the end or by 3:30 C, if it is closing and a long wick is formed and the body is closing here, better to exit, keep your money pocket. We will enter again when it breaks out. You'll have lots of opportunity. Okay. Now, in this case, it has gone up. It has come, retested this line. So this line has again acted as a support. So this was a resistance. It has retested its line and again started moving. So it is likely to go till 2500. Okay. Prasad is asking any reason why we are reducing by 50%. That is the spring action. That is the action like spring. So we tighten the spring. It takes more energy to tighten the spring. When we are releasing the spring, it will get released very fast. So it took 100 days to, so unwinding and opening, it will go faster. So it is almost 50% or lesser also sometime. It might go within less days also, it is likely to go. Okay, so we take the next example. Next example is United Spirits. Okay. So Megha is asking, where should we put our stop after breakout? So ideally, the first starting breakout should be around 50% of this line. If you're okay, you can start with here. After breakout, the breakout candle typically acts as a support. You can put little bit lower. So you can put the your stop here. This is the second time it has gone up, breakout has happened. Now this is the reversal. Now this is your second stop. So first stop is somewhere here. Second stop, you can put it here. Okay. Target is 20th May. One more thing. See how we are pretty like our confidence level is higher that it is likely to go up, because you see, the longer the wicks here, the wick here, when it turned back here, if the wicks are longer here, okay, and correspondingly the volumes are also decent. See here, the volume is decent. If you see at the bottom where the volume towers are there, wick is high, volume tower is high, wick is high, not very good, but at least this one was good. Long wick, lower wick. This is long lower wick, but volume was not so very great, not very happy. But still, I will say it is giving a good probability that it is likely to go up. So you can as well put your stop here now. Yeah, volume is above average, correct. Umesh is asking what is the reason we took candle upper side to start drawing the line. That is how the candles are drawn. We take the high. We take the high and join the lines. Okay, so let's go to the next stock, which is the United Spirits. Again, as soon as you see the triangle, again, you can see it is in consolidation phase from here to here. Has the triangle broken? No, correct. It's still consolidating. If it takes longer to consolidate within this triangle, there is a all possibility that it will fizzle and go down. So don't think that as soon as you see triangle, it is going to go up only. Triangle is one thing, opportunity is brewing. If so, you have to wait patiently for it to break on either side. How far it will go, measure the distance. It will go up by around 65 points whenever it breaks. Let's say it is here. So our target is here. Then if this is the target, is it matching with our any previous support resistance? Yes, there was some support resistance at this location previously. So it acted as a support and there was a lot of activity here. So there is a possibility that if it goes up from here to here, it is likely to go till around 840, 850. Okay, again, what do we call as a good breakout of this triangle? When we will call when there is a close above the line. If the candle closes above this line, then only it is a proper breakout. See, sometimes it will happen, this wick will go up and again the body is formed within the candle. This is not a breakout. This is a fake big breakout. It is better if you are entering here because it went out and again came in. It is better to book some small losses the same day at 3:30, sit peacefully, let it break out some other day, again enter. You will be able to at least recover money or come out profitably. Now, PI Industries, again, this is a consolidation. This is a what we say, declining triangle, descending triangle, sorry, not declining, descending triangle. It is still under formation. So you can have a look. Everyone will be able to draw on their charts and see the targets in PI Industries. Yes, okay. Okay, now this is a very interesting Titan company. Again, I have shared. This is forming on a which side we don't know. We have to wait patiently. Whichever side it happens, we accept. Triangles, we cannot predict whether it will go up or down. We have to predict. See, this is happening on a weekly basis. I have changed the chart to a weekly basis. So this consolidation is happening on a weekly basis. In case it goes up from here now, so it is almost 2800 to 1800, 1000 points up. So 33%, there is a likelihood that 33% if it goes up. If people are impatient, what should they do? See, this is a double bottom formation sort of. Some people are impatient. What they can do is they start entering from here with a stop loss here. This is a 5 to 7 days candle consolidation. Here it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is a consolidation which has a very short term consolidation which has happened. If you don't want to wait patiently till it goes up and breaks weekly. So this is a weekly triangle which I have shown you earlier. So this is on a weekly basis, it is happening. It's moving from here to here, and again it is going. Some people may say कि नहीं यार अभी तो 2800 is too far away. How to observe it? If I want to observe it, then take a smaller chunk. Take the high and low of past 8 to 10 candles, like what I have taken here, and then observe. See, it has closed here. Are we having good volume? Okay, yeah, decent volumes are there. Okay, so it has closed, and then hold till. People can hold till here, trail stop, go up. If it goes down, we have to exit here. Whenever you feel comfortable, it has to be exited, because we don't know triangle. If it breaks, it can go down also by 1000 points. So don't think that it will go up only. It is likely to go down 1000 points. So you cannot change your ideology from a short-term trader to suddenly a long-term trader. No, if you are taking a trade as per short-term trader, you have to continue as a short-term trader, entering here, exiting here. If it closes below this, you have to exit, or you can continue and then continue upwards. If it breaks, good, you hold it till 3800. Everyone good with Titan? Okay. Now we have Tata Steel. Again, lots of consolidation is happening. If you see the weekly chart, see, Tata Steel gave a zoop, it went up, and again it started going sideways. Now again it is in consolidation pattern, which seems like a triangle. Okay, so if this triangle is around 50 points, 80 to 140 is 160 points. If it breaks from here, 110, 60 points. So around 50% upside or 50% downside. We don't know where it will break. Interesting thing in Tata Steel is, if we zoom in, there is a small head and shoulder is forming. Okay, how head and shoulder looks? It looks like this. So this is a shoulder. This is sort of head, and this is another shoulder which is forming. That's why I have shown it as this is a head and shoulder reversal pattern. So this is a bullish head and shoulder. So this is a shoulder, this red line, second red line, third red line is the shoulder. This is the black line is a neckline. If it breaks, how far it will go? It will go to the distance of the neck, which is this line, to the head top. So this line added here, because here is where neckline will break, it will come almost to the triangle. So our trade in Tata Steel can be broken into for observation's sake in two parts. The first part, head and shoulders, if it breaks here, a trade can be observed from here to here. If it breaks from there, a trade can be observed from here to 120 till you can add 60, 180. So it's almost like 180. So 50% we can have. Just hold on. How many days it will take to reach there? If you see here, and if you see, it took almost 399 days for this consolidation. Let's reduce it to 200 days. Okay, now this is how much from here to here, October. Okay, so in Tata Steel, right now, if the breakout happens, again, I am saying, if the breakout happens, if this chart is right now forming the second shoulder, if it breaks out from here, that means if it closes above this line with a good volume, then there is a chance that first target it will go here. If it breaks out with a good volume on a weekly basis here, then there is a chance it will go, and by October there is a possibility of Tata Steel reaching around 180. Again, this is for learning purposes only. I am not telling you to trade. Okay. So everyone okay about the Tata Steel trade? What I have discussed here? Yes. Okay. Horizontal lines. This is the target. This is the breakout and this is the target. That's why I have drawn the horizontal line here. Green is this is the breakout line. This is the target. Okay. So this, let me delete. So October. So whoever is watching the video today, I would expect that on 30th October, whatever happens, either it goes up or down, 180 is our target by 1st of November, okay, for Tata Steel. Why trend line is important? It is part of our analysis, no? Okay, so just hold on. Ye kya hai? Okay, so let's go to the next chart. Again, Bata India, this is consolidation happening. How far it is likely to go? It is likely to go to the width of this consolidation happening here. See, one thing you have to observe is the consolidation, long-term consolidation takes at least 26 days. So it has happened, consolidation, Bata India. Again, this is a clean breakout. This is a very clean breakout. Breakout has happened here. Then, kitna difference hai iska dono ka? 1440, 1380, 60 points, right? So 1440 and 60 points is 1500. So yahan tak aayega ghumte firte. So it's almost about to reach there. Okay, let's say this is again Indian Oil Corporation, upper side 86, 68. This is data pattern, again the triangle, and breakout has happened. It has started moving. It is 1000 to almost 1500. So 500 points from here. So it's already 1700, 18,000. Let's see if it reaches till 2000. Let me see if anything interesting. Okay, this is under formation. This is same, I think, Krishna Defense. And this is a consolidation which is happening. Mattertech. So again, this is trapped in a rectangle. If it goes up, it is likely to come here. If it comes down, it is likely to come down here. Apart from this, what I wanted to show here is one is IDFC First. Again, it has started, the breakout has happened. It has closed above, it has started going up. And many people are Adani fan. So Adani International also consolidation is happening here. So now, actually, if you are waiting for when to buy Adani, you can observe it here. There is a consolidation happening here now after so many days, almost April, no, February, March, April, 3 months consolidation is happening. If the breakout happens, you can try out your, see what happens when the triangle goes up. Okay, now, yeah. We can draw a triangle. It will not be a very neat and clean triangle as per the classical definition. We can try it. So, but it's a consolidation for sure. If you see here, already it will have given a breakdown at a lower level. If you see, it's not a classical triangle, but definitely it is a compression. Okay. Now, if you see few trades I have shared basis 5 or 10 days consolidation. So that also you have to take the same thing. Similar way, it's a consolidation of 8 to 10 days, which is again a powerful consolidation. It goes up. Now see here it is how what I was telling, fake breakout, because when I shared the startup hour, the price action was here. See here, the price crossed, again came down. Price crossed, again came down inside the rectangle. So it is better to exit here. If it is coming down, it is better to exit, again enter when it is closing up, or have a look at 330 only and see if there are anti-criteria. When you're observing, you should observe it like that. Whatever is the width, take it to the support level. LIC again, similar thing. LIC downtrend is there. Okay, Britannia, I shared Britannia again. You see the consolidation. This is the breakout which has happened. Again, it is sustaining here. This is the width and target 1, target 2. Then we have Dabur. Again, Dabur. I think I shared yesterday or before yesterday. So it is there. Again, this is target 1, target 2. Better to, when you are doing paper trading and all, it is better to assume that, okay, you have booked the entire profit. Everyone good? Everyone understood what I am posting and how you should be observing it, right? How you should be observing it based on my post. When also I heard a very very important line today, and it reminded me, it is very true. In stock market, it is very important not to learn what to do, but to learn that not to take any action. You have to develop a skill of not taking action till the right setup, right breakout happens. Because I have shared in last 1 week around 15 setups. Only 2 to 3, 4 have triggered. Remaining are still in consolidation. Many people feel impatient. Nahi, abhi to aaya hai, he has posted. So there has to be breakout. We should be able to observe it. But it's not that it will happen immediately. So we have to develop a skill to have patience to do nothing. We have to wait for the right breakout time. We have to wait. And when actual breakout happens, then we should be taking the trade. Okay, so, okay. So someone said Adani Power. I know Adani fans are there. Adani Power. Huh? Yeah. Yes, Adani, lot of stocks are under consolidation, but I would say wait for the breakout, let it break out, then you go in, don't move in just because it is forming a triangle. नहीं अपन कूद पड़ते हैं बाद में देखा जाएगा. No, it is very important to wait for breakouts. Ports, let's say ports. Again, it's in consolidation. Yes, impatient will people will jump in and then they will see it going down. Patient people will see it breaking out and then put in the probability of people who will win in this battle is those who keep patience. Okay, stop loss. Let me take example. Okay, like I explained here, this is the breakout candle. You can put stop loss here. The candle which broke out, you can put a stop loss here, you can put a stop loss here. So what happens is you have to do the position sizing based on the initial risk analysis. Like for a triangle, wherever is a breakout, you should be considering the last V shape here as your stop loss, and you should be calculating your risk, how much risk you are willing to take for this trade, and then do the position sizing. Once it starts moving, then you can trail behind this, trail near this based on the price action. V shapes, wherever the V shapes are coming, this is the V shape. At the end of this V shape, put your stop loss. If it goes up, forms a V shape, put the stop loss below the V shape. Okay, so Nikhil is saying how to improve psychology. Sumit is asking psychology. I don't know how to improve. You have to first, to improve psychology, first people will have to burn their hands. Once they burn their hands, they will be coming back to the stock market. So first way of improving psychology is that see, improvement of psychology, whatever gyan I give this psychology, that psychology, everyone has to do his own mistake. Only thing you can do is don't repeat your mistakes. Once you do a mistake, and if you have done any trade based on your emotions, write down that yes, I traded based on my emotion, I traded based on my what I say, restlessness. If you are true to yourself, you will be able to improve your psychology. Otherwise, no book, no gyan can improve your psychology. Okay, let's take Voltas. Okay, summer season. No, it's gone. See, it has not gone up above the before the earnings, right? Nikhil, okay, I'll allow you people to unmute so that you can. Okay, so Nikhil, you can unmute. See, Voltas has gone down. Most likely today is the result date, if I'm not wrong. The results were not very great. I don't know, but by chart is telling me that result was not great. Tomorrow it is likely to fall. Okay, Nikhil. See, 1 month before we'll come to know. If the earnings 1 month before, how the chart starts behaving. It started going down. 1 month before, most likely the big players started dumping 1 month before. Again, this is earnings day, longer wick. High possibility it is. Okay, beverage company. Give me example, Jitin. VBL, okay. Okay, so see, it has it's not in consolidation. So today we are taking care of consolidation. Nevertheless, if this is the earnings, I have shared earlier the earning strategy, measure 1 month from here. Okay, so we have 15th May, so 15th April. Okay, 17th April, good. Now, this is simple rule. If the earnings are likely to be good, it should break out above the high. From 1 month before you start seeing, if it breaks out high, it is better to take this high because this was the highest in recent past. If Varun Beverages earnings is likely to be good, it has to break out above this line. If it goes above this line, by earnings it will go up. But if Varun Beverages result is not very good, it will go below this line and fall here till this support. So you have to keep observing. Just because it's summer doesn't mean that the market thinks it is going to go up. Okay. Okay, so I'm not doing all the analysis here. I would request you people to go back, draw the lines and do the analysis. Okay, which was our earlier. Okay. Okay, great. So I thought how many of you have learned something new today? Can I have yes if you have learned something good, exciting today? How to look for the I have not taught how to look for the consolidation. It comes with the practice, but at least when the consolidation you are able to spot how you will be observed and look at it. Okay, great. So thank you so much for joining today. Thanks a lot. It was pleasure interacting with you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. See you next Wednesday.